Nakaliang ka sorka jala hapo ka jingla mo menteri rong badu ka jala konrad ke sama badah ka jinga snok tilang jong menteri badai pej ya katana jinga lekai ka jala basha clear warjri menta ka singi kalapan ku burom ya kirang bagite ya lekai ka jala kiblawan ra ya kanam ka burom ya ka jala bad ya ka jai benruhi baro kawai Hakaba hakane ka lapan ko burom na du kinong job ya ka World Arm Wrestling Championship unong job ya ka jing ya pen i doksa nang ta unong job pa ya ka jing ya kura ya kane ka program la pelong haka Andrew Taragunailur araja rar pusau hapo ka KGP Hall Shillong na kaliang umentri rong badu ka jala ula yaro ya kine kinong ya lekai ba kilawan ra ya kanam ka burom ka jala bari ya ka rin dia hi baro ka wei
Mrs. Meet Snow Karanbai, Ms. Senevi Simply, Mr. Hubert Palia, Mr. Ganboa Bruno, and also Mr. Johnny Nahor. Let's give them a big round of applause. I request all the athletes to please come to the stage once again so that we have a group photo along with the ministers, chief ministers, and all the honorable officers. All the athletes, the winners, please bring your medals, your mementos, and your sash in front.
God Almighty for having us given this beautiful day, and more importantly for giving the opportunity to all our young sports persons to showcase their talent and bring laurels and pride to our state and to our country. It's very tough. You have to have the real passion inside you and the belief inside you and the real desire to make this happen and push it, to face the challenges that you have all faced, to come to this level of winning medals and defeating champions at the world stage. Talent and our sports persons would be able to defeat the best in the world. And that's the kind of talent that we have shown, the kind of commitment that we have shown, not just, as I said, the sports persons and the participants, but the entire organizing committee that has ensured, the association that has ensured that you have participated at this level.
Sorkar, sport department, mentan bersyangkan kebanyakan bagi ai, jingira kalau akan berbentan nak namar mau mimpi bagi ba jadi kisnem benangwan mimpi bermakir kino di atris benangkil ya kabupaten Matra ya kenam berkuburong nak kabupaten Kejelau juni dia akan kepor dengan yang berpengaruh manusia ya ka por mako untuk bisa juni kabupaten Kejelau